Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss a new topic of physics. Topic name is electrostatics. So friends, let's get started. So friends, let's discuss the meaning of electrostatics. So the meaning of electro is charge, and the meaning of statics is something at rest. So the meaning of electrostatics becomes charge at rest. So our first concept is electric charge, or simply you can write it as charge. So what is the definition of electric charge? So friends, electric charge is an intrinsic property of elementary particles of matter which gives rise to electric force between various objects. So let's write its definition. Electric charge is an intrinsic property of elementary particles of matter which gives rise to electric force between various objects. So what is the meaning of intrinsic? Intrinsic means belonging to something, like the electric charge belongs to the elementary particles of matter, means it belongs to mass. So let's discuss more about it. So it is a scalar quantity. As you all know what is scalar quantity, which has only magnitude, and its SI unit is coulomb, which is denoted by capital C, and its CGS unit is Franklin, which is also known as stat coulomb. It is denoted by ESU. So what is the relationship between coulomb and stat coulomb? So 1 coulomb is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU, means stat coulomb, in bracket stat coulomb, and its other unit is EMU, which is electromagnetic unit. And the relationship between electromagnetic unit and coulomb or stat coulomb is 1 electromagnetic unit is equals to 3 into 10 raised to power 10 ESU, means stat coulomb, and 10 coulomb. So this is the relationship between electromagnetic unit and stat coulomb or coulomb. So next comes types of charges. So friends, there are two types of charges. First is positive charge and second is negative charge. So what is positive charge? So positive charge is deficiency of electrons and negative charge is excessiveness of electrons. So when the electron amount is less than the amount of protons, then positive charge is generated, and when the electron amount is more than the amount of protons, then negative charge is generated on any object. So here comes a scientist, Charles Dewey, who showed that electric charges are only of two kinds. So Charles Dewey was the scientist who showed that electric charges are only of two kinds. So the next comes is property of charges. So first property is additivity of electric charges. So let's discuss about this property. So let's consider a body. And the body has charges plus 9 coulomb, minus 1 coulomb, plus 5 coulomb, minus 10 coulomb. So let's consider the charges. So now what is the first property? Is that charges are always additive in nature, means they are always added with their signs. Like, so the total charge on the body is total charge is adding all the charges. So 9 coulomb plus 5 coulomb plus of minus 1 coulomb and plus of minus 10 coulomb. So 9 coulomb plus 5 coulomb minus 1 coulomb and minus 10 coulomb. So the charge is net charge is 4 coulomb on the body. 3 coulomb. So the total charge on the body is 3 coulomb. So this states that charges are always additive in nature with respect to their signs. So the next property comes is quantization of electric charge. So friends, in quantization of charge always exists in the integral multiple of fundamental charge So charge always exists in integral multiple of fundamental charge, and it is denoted by Q is equals to plus minus Ne, where Q is charge on a body and N is number of electrons and E is charge on an electron. So friends, the smallest charge that can exist independently is the charge on an electron. That can exist independently is charge on one electron. So the charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this is the charge on one electron. So friends, the next property is, third property is conservation of electric charge. Conservation of electric charge. So friends, charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only transferred from one body to other body. And the second point is the total charge of an isolated system is constant. So friends, you already know, you have studied in previous classes that charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only transferred from one body to another body. So the next point comes is the total charge on isolated system is constant. So let's have an example of this. Let's consider uranium 238 and 92. When it is splitted, it forms thorium 234, 90 and helium 24. So this is the example of conservation of charge. So the next main example is pair production method. So what happens in pair production method is, let's take a gamma ray source. When the gamma radiations are passed and it strikes a target, let's take a lead target. So it splits into two parts. One is positron, the other is electron. So what is a positron? So a positron is same as electron, same charge and same mass as electron, but it has positive charge and electron has negative charge. See, positron charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, but it has only positive charge, and electron charge is negative of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and both of their mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Both of their charges is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. So this was the example of pair production method. So friends, I hope you understood all the concepts which I explained you in this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it, subscribe our channel and comment what are your doubts related to this topic. Thank you friends. Goodbye.